Alright, what's going on my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host Terry and welcome to my channel Buy the Dip. Alright guys, and in today's video I have some updates for you on my personal accounts with Fidelity and Robinhood on my Golden Nugget LCA holdings. And I wanted to share that with you guys to show you in depth of what I have. Plus, we have some updates on the SEC filings, and we have some revenue reports from the New Jersey Gaming Commission. So let's get into today's video, and we'll get this out of the way here, guys. And guys, before we get into that, man, please smash that thumbs up. Join the thumbs up nation. I appreciate that. Really helps share the algorithm to other people that follow GNOG and LCA. I'm going to minimize this just enough so we can get into it here. Alright, so as you can see here, this is my Fidelity account. I have my personal information blocked out as best I can. And as you can see right now, the stock price is $14.37 a share. My total of today, I'm up $55. I'm up 3%. And total gain loss since I've been purchasing LCA, I am up $97, up 5.5%. Current value is $1,868. And it is basically 73% of my portfolio right now. I just freed up some cash in my Fidelity account. I sold some stocks I was up like 30-40% on. And as you can see, I have a total of 130 shares in my Fidelity account, which I was telling you guys for a while. I just don't show the Fidelity account too much because sometimes they show account numbers and it's just not user-friendly like the Robinhood app. But anyway, you can see my average share price on Fidelity is $13.63 a share. And here is my purchase history, guys. You can see I've been purchasing LCA GNOG back since July. My very first purchase was here on July the 10th. I bought 10 shares at $14.11. Then I bought 10 more shares on July 10th at $14.13. Then I waited a couple days and then it dropped. So what did I do? I bought the dip, man. That's what you got to do. Buy the dip. So I bought the dip. I bought 15 shares on July 14th at $12.30. A couple more days passed and it went up a couple more, like 90 cents it went up. So I said, I'm really liking this company. I did some more research and I really like everything about it. So then I bought a big hunk here, 25 shares on July 17th at $13.40 a share. Then the next day, I bought 10 more shares on the 21st at $14.32. And then on the 21st later that day, I bought 10 more shares at $14.67. And then also here on the 21st. Yeah, 21st, I bought 10 more shares at $15.05. So guys, I was even buying shares when this thing was $14 and $15 back in July. So that's how much I believed in the company, that I think this is going to be a $30 stock in the future. Then we got on the 22nd, the next day, I bought 10 more shares at $13.54. And then on the 22nd, later that day, I ended up buying 10 more shares at $13.86. And then here was my last purchase on Fidelity for LCA. But I bought 20 shares at $12.76 on July 23rd, a day before my birthday. So that is my purchase history. So basically within 2 weeks, I acquired 130 shares on Fidelity. Now these I'm pretty much wanting to leave in this account until we get close to the $30 range. Then I would consider maybe selling some shares and taking some profits. But until it gets close, I mean above 25 at least, I like to see this go. Above 25, I can consider selling a couple shares, taking some profits, and selling off like 25, sell maybe 10 or 20 shares. And then maybe if it goes up to 27.50, maybe selling another 10 or 20 shares. And if I get close to my $30 price range on this stock, maybe then I would consider unloading everything and then hoping for a sell-off and buy back in this company. Because this is one I could definitely keep in with buying. So I wanted to show you my Fidelity account. I posted a good bit of videos of LCA and I've never showed my Fidelity account LCA. So 130 shares, average price of $13.63. And if we go over here to my Robinhood account, as you can see, LCA right now, go down here to my information. I have 10 shares at $12. Man, what would I give to get more shares? And I got the better deal because I bought later in on my Robinhood account. So I ended up getting 10 shares at $12 a piece, and my cost is $119.95. Right now I'm up $22.75, up 18.97%. So basically up 19% on that purchase. That is a winner right there, man. $12 a share. I would sell everything I have and buy these shares. They were $12 again, but now we're up to $14.27 right now. So that is where we're at with my shares and things like that. So let's get in here now, guys, do we have any updates on the SEC filing? Well, still no updates, man. It's been since September 22nd, and I've covered this in another video. I've got in here today to update you guys. And on the SEC website, you can just go to sec.gov, type in LCA. It'll give you the business address, mailing address, and you can see here Lancadia Holdings 2. And this is where you can see all the company filings. And if you scroll down here, you can see all the filings that they've did. And these are the most recent, the 22nd. Still no updates. So I'm checking this thing every day for you guys. I'm going to bring it to you when it happens. So, next part of the video we're going to get into is, this is right on here. If you go to, it's the New Jersey Gaming Revenue. This is directly from the newjersey.gov. If you go to Golden Nugget Online Gaming Revenues, and you go to the New Jersey, NJ, if you see up here, nj.gov, and you can scroll down here, and the most up-to-date information you can get on Golden Nugget is August of 2020 this year. They do not have the September out yet, but I'm checking it daily. When they bring out the September monthly gross revenue, I will definitely bring that to you guys. But as of right now, the current information you can get of revenues is August. So as you see here, they have table and other games. They had looks like 13 millionaire. They had poker, slot machines, total casino win. Looks like they were up 9.2 million overall for August. Not bad at all. So this here is year-to-date table and other games and poker win. They are up 13.5 million. Year-to-date slot machine wins up 42.6 million. That is insane. Year-to-date casino win. Now, keep in mind this is a pandemic, and they still have, get this guys, 56.2 million in revenues right now. Profit. 56 million in profits right now. Adjustments like $234, and the year-to-date gross revenue is 56.215 in revenue. And this was here, authorized casino square footage at the end of the month was 78,000 square feet. And promotional gaming credits wagered for the month was this here, 1.7 million in promotions for the month. So that is, here it was signed off September 9th. So, by Joanne McKenzie, Director of Finance Controller for New Jersey. So this here is the updated from New Jersey of the revenues signed September 9th. So guys, we could be within a day or two. If this is August and they signed it September 9th, we may get September revenues on October 9th, which is tomorrow. So I'm going to check this website tomorrow. And if they have updated revenues for September, I will do a video and bring those revenues up to you guys. So let's keep our fingers crossed, guys, that we can get these updated revenues for September. I'm curious to see how's the casino growing. And then I found this article here that talked about GNOG here. This is the PRN Newswire, and this here said that gross, couple bullet points here, gross gaming revenues of 28.2 million compared to 15.3 million during the same period in 2019, an increase of 87% or 85%. Guys, they grossed over year 85% in revenues during a pandemic. That is pretty good. And this here was for the Golden Nugget Online Gaming GNOG, or the company, for the second quarter of 2020, for the 3 months ending June 30th. So they were up 85% year-over-year on GNOG revenues. This here also says the next bullet point, net revenue of 24.8 million compared to 13.9 during the same period in 2019. Another increase of 78%. Guys, that is insane. So not only did they grow 85% in gross gaming revenues, their net revenue was up 78%. That is crazy, man. That's mind-blowing. I love it. It's what you want to hear as an investor. And this here says operating income of 8.5 million versus 4.9 million in the second quarter of 2019, a 74% increase. What? That is awesome, man. So here is a quote, as they put here from Tillman. We are pleased with the continued strong revenue growth in New Jersey and our ongoing profitability, said TILMAN Fertitta, GNOG's owner. So guys, what do you think? Are you all excited about this news, man? Because I surely am. As I keep doing my research daily for you guys and myself, because as you saw in today's video, I am invested in GNOG and I'm looking to purchase some more shares of GNOG. Actually, I freed up a little bit of cash in my accounts by selling up some stocks that I'm currently up like 30-40% on. And right now, GNOG hasn't taken off yet. I think there's room for growth for sure of GNOG. So that's why I freed up some cash. And I'm debating on purchasing some more LCA for my portfolio because I just know it's not 100% of a winner, but I feel it's like 90-95% of a winner. You never can be 100%. Now that is just my opinion, that I believe that this stock is going to go above $20-$25 when the merger happens. So let's see what happens, guys. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button for the, let me get it there for you guys. There we go. The thumbs up nation, baby. The old Z Nation. And guys, I'll catch you in the next one. And remember, buy the dip.